Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily upload absolutely any video from the TikTok app to your gallery. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments. So, let us be with you friends. Let's get down to our topic. Please open the TikTok app on your device. Then find the video you would like to upload. Next, you will need to tap on the bottom right side on the arrow. And now in the bottom gray menu, you will see an option to save the video. Please click on that option, and you'll see a percentage countdown start when the download is complete. You may also see a window like this, where you are invited to send the video immediately via some social network or to some of your friends in TikTok. If you may not find the option to save the video, it means that the user himself, the author of this video, he has prohibited the uploading of videos, and you can write him a comment or personally ask him to open the uploading of videos. So be careful and do not get upset if you do not see these options. That's how fast and very easy, dear friends, you will be able to upload videos from the TikTok app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.